This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to get free RDP using the GitHub Student Pack. This setup provides you with a continuously running server that includes full administrator and SSH access. Make sure to follow every step carefully. Don't skip anything. I'll guide you through the entire process so even beginners can complete it easily. If you're new here, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Let's begin. First, sign up for GitHub or log into your account. Click Create Repository, give it a name, scroll down and select Create Repository. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Tailscale's website. Click Start Connecting Devices, then choose Sign Up with GitHub and authorize the app. This is personal. Select what best fits your needs. Once you're logged in, skip the introduction and open Settings. Navigate to Keys, select Generate Auth Key, then click Generate and copy the key. Now head back to GitHub, open Settings, go to Secrets and Variables, select Actions, and click New Repository Secret. Enter the required name exactly as instructed and paste the key you copied earlier. After that, click Actions and choose Set up a workflow yourself. In the description, you'll find a link. Copy the code from there and paste it into the workflow editor. Commit the changes, then confirm once more. Wait briefly, then return to the Actions tab. Select RDP and run the workflow. When it completes, click RDP again and choose Secure RDP. Follow the link to the Tailscale login page, sign in with GitHub, and authorize access. Click Connect to continue. Next, right-click on the Windows option and open it in a new tab. Download the Tailscale installer. You'll need it shortly. Install the program carefully. Return to GitHub. At this point, your RDP credentials should be visible: the address, username, and password. Copy only the address for now. Open Tailscale on your computer and click Sign In to your network. Log in with GitHub again, authorize the connection, and click Connect. You're almost done. Now open Remote Desktop on your computer and paste in the address you copied earlier. Enter the username, tick Allow me to save credentials, and click Connect. When prompted, copy the password from the workflow output and paste it in. That's it. Your remote desktop server is ready. You can now explore the system, test the internet speed, and check other features. Everything is set up and ready for use. I know you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. There are more contents coming up just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.